Oh, there's no food! And only a mouse! Oh, I'm doing so good! What? What's that noise? Oh, don't cry, baby. Your sis is coming to rescue. Oh, what happened? Oh, the baby's calling me. I'm Granny, and I'm on my way. I'm the chef, and I'm making some pizza. What? Someone needs my help? The chef is already running to you. What's wrong, darling? I'm hungry! Yay! We're starting a culinary challenge. Make me some ice cream, please. That's easy. Okay. It'll be done. Wait, Grandma will teach you how to make ice cream properly. First, we'll need a blender and fresh strawberries. Now adding some milk. It needs to cover all the berries. And closing the lid. Oh, that's powerful! That's funny! Grandma! Oh my gosh! Oh, my jaw almost popped out! But we got a great base for ice cream. Pouring it into the molds, closing it and sending it to the refrigerator for several hours. Well done!
Yes!
Great! Grandma, amazing! We just have to wait a little. Oh, it's not opening! Oh, come on! Ooh! Oh, I got wet! Oh, granddaughter! Here's a napkin, dear! Oh, thank you! Be careful next time! Okay. You didn't have to return it. So, pouring the milk. I think that's enough.
Nice.
I don't have any strawberries, so I'll take my favorite gummy bears.
All right.
I think it will taste even better this way.
Cool.
And some ice won't hurt.
Cool. Yeehaw.
The main thing is to freeze everything quickly. Let's shake it up. Okay. Cool! Voila!
Yeah.
Now let's take a scoop of my ice cream.
Awesome.
It looks so good! Here comes the waffle cone, putting it in, and some more scoops. Done! Well done, granddaughter! Thanks! Let me concentrate. Here comes a new masterpiece. First, I need lemon juice. I can squeeze it out of these halves with the help of a certain gadget. Perfecto! Now, we need to add some milk. We mix it well. And here comes a special trick.
Really?
Why do you need this? So that my hands don't fall off. After all, I will freeze my dessert with liquid nitrogen. It'll be super fast. Voila! Now, time for decor. I'll use oyster shells. Oh, it's delicious. I'll put my ice cream in this shell. It will look like a real pearl. Let's do this.
Awesome.
Perfecto. Well, bon appetit. Oh, almost forgot about my ice cream. We need to get it out of the freezer.
Yeehaw.
Oh, it's perfect.
Nice. Yeah.
Well, now everything is ready. Cool, Granny. Not bad. Wow! Look at this ice cream! I'll start with this one. Love you, sis! Ooh! Is that strawberry ice cream? Oh, thanks, Granny! It's incredible!
Okay.
You're welcome! Wow! What an unusual ice cream! I've never seen such a beautiful shell! This should be very tasty! Let's see… Wow! It's incredible! Well, Chef wins because it's amazing! Oh, merci. Please make me a hot dog! Cool idea, sis! Okay. The order has been accepted. So, first I need 1 egg. Oh, now, adding some flour and some milk to knead the dough. Wow, it looks cool! I want to try it too. Oh, my head! Everything is spinning. Whew. The egg didn't break. Grandma is already rolling out the dough. That's right, honey. And we need to cut off half and bake a hot dog bun. Time to put it into the oven and wait a little bit. Oh, let's do this. Uh-huh. Oh, what a fragrance! Grandma is happy.
Nice.
Let's go. Wow, what a beautiful bun! But I can't make this dough. Now we cut the bun. I see. It's time for a sausage. Here's my stove. We're heating it up and pouring oil into there so that nothing burns. Oh, what a fragrance once again. All that remains is to put it in a bun and pour ketchup with mustard. Incredible! Oh.
Ow!
Hey, you!
I can't do this. What should I do? I know. It's better to take cheese and a bowl. You'll see everything now. It'll be very tasty. Here's a sausage skewer. Putting a sausage onto it. And look at all that cheese. Now, I'm gonna use chips for breading. Well, making crumbs out of Cheetos. Oh, that's weird. Come on, it's fun.
Nice.
Let's roll our sausage with cheese in it. Incredible! And the main part is to fry it in oil. We need a lot of oil. Uh-huh. Perfect! The baby will really like it. I'm done.
Awesome.
Hey, you!
Oh, wait a minute. I'm getting started. Putting on gloves. And adding black dye to the dough. It's gonna be spectacular. Excellent. Now we can bake a bun in the oven, as Grandma did. But I'm going to count to 3 so that it doesn't burn.
Cool.
Putting it on our baking sheet.
Yes!
And let's go. Perfect! I can't wait to see the result.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep, I did as I told you. I counted to 3 and my bun did not burn. Oh, perfecto. What? Is it burnt? Not at all. It's just a black design. It's too boring to use ordinary dough.
Okay.
Now, Moving on to my sausage. I don't need it. Again, that is too boring. And I know what has to be done. Let's take an octopus. Ew! Come on, it's incredible. We just have to fry it well. And I'm gonna use some fire. Whoa! What are you doing? I'm on my way to the victory. The only thing missing is cheese with mold. Ew, it stinks! You don't understand anything. That is in the best restaurants in Paris. That's what I call a hot dog. Perfect.
Cool.
Cheese has been grated. Let's add it to our hot dog. Well, everything is ready. Perfecto once again. I don't know about that. Wow! Thanks a lot! I'm so hungry, I don't even know where to start. I'll take Grandma's hot dog. It looks cool. I like it.
Cool.
Enjoy it. Wow! How interesting. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's very tasty! I can taste Cheetos! It's a blast! Yum!
Cool.
Oh, yes! Oh! This hot dog scares me! Don't tell me there's an octopus here! Oh, goodness! I have goosebumps! It tastes terrible! I'm sorry, Chef. I don't like it at all. What should I choose? Little sister wins! Oh, hooray! Who's won? I won! Thanks to everyone who likes and subscribes to our channel. Write in the comments which character is your favorite. See you soon, friends.